Hi everyone, Jenna here from the Protocase team with a new Proto Tech Tip. Today we're going to cover your payment options at Protocase when you order custom parts. So we are proud to help engineers, innovators, scientists, and inventors keep their projects moving by manufacturing their custom parts in as fast as 2 to 3 days. For today's Proto Tech Tip, we're going to cover a universal topic that all customers can relate to: different ways to pay for your order. I'm going to go over each of our payment options and important things to keep in mind for each. We have 3 options for prepayment, which means you pay for the order before it ships from our facilities. The 3 I'm going to cover are our main methods of prepayment, but we are open to others if you have another method. If that's the case, just reach out to your Protocase account manager to discuss. Option number 1 for prepayment, credit card. There are 2 ways we can process your credit card payment. We can send you a secure payment link, or if you'd prefer, we can securely save your card details and process your order when it's ready to ship. Option number 2 for prepayment, wire transfer or electronic funds transfer. We can provide a pro forma invoice of your order with all of the banking information that's required to complete the transfer. EFT or ACH payments are only possible in Canada, so if you are located in the United States, it will be a wire transfer. One important note, we do not charge any fees for using a credit card. However, if you are located in the United States or other parts of the world, you may be charged a foreign transaction fee by your bank, since we are located in Canada. This can vary by provider. Final option for prepayment, pay by check. If you want to pay by a check, your Protocase account manager will provide you the proper mailing address based on your location. We recommend sending your check by registered mail or courier so that you can track its whereabouts. You'll need to send us a copy of the front and the back of the check as well. If you're a first-time customer with Protocase, you must pay for your order up front. Typically this is done by credit card, but you can also pay up front by wire transfer or check. So those are your options if you're prepaying for your order before it ships. We have another option for paying after your order is shipped. This is called terms. Basically, it means we will ship your order as soon as it is manufactured and will send you an invoice. In order to use this option and establish terms, you must submit a Net 30 application. A common question we get is, how long will it take for my Net 30 application to be processed? Ultimately, it depends. We will need at least 2 references to respond to our accounting team in order for your application to be processed. So ultimately, the time to evaluate and confirm your Net 30 application will come down to your references getting back to us. So one more important note about Net 30. If you're establishing Net 30 terms with us and you've ordered parts where time is critical and you need them as quickly as possible, the order may be delayed by the process of references reporting. In these cases where time is of the absolute essence, we recommend going the route of prepaying for your orders so that your time-critical order is shipped on time. When you order a custom design in Protocase Designer or reorder a previous job in my account, you can tell us what your preferred payment option is. Once your order is processed, your Protocase account manager will reach out to you to actually carry out the payment, such as sending a secure link to pay via credit card. If you have terms set up with us, you'll see that as an option as well. Before we wrap up, let's go through some commonly asked questions about paying for Protocase manufactured custom parts. Question 1. When do I get my invoice? Once an order ships from our facilities, our system will generate the invoice based on the pricing on the sales order. This can take 24 to 48 hours. Question 2. Why doesn't my invoice match my purchase order? So this can happen if your order is a higher quantity. In these cases, our production team typically breaks out your order into batches so that we can complete them in a timely fashion while also manufacturing other customer orders. If possible, we will ship all of these batches in one shipment, but sometimes the batches of your order will be shipped separately. This is where invoicing kicks in. So you'll receive an invoice for each batch of parts that are released. The invoices you get will be the same number as your sales order number, but if there are multiple shipments, the invoice number will have a P for partial. Question 3. What email address should I send my payment to? You can send any form of remittance advice or information to accounting@protocase.com. Our accounting team is awesome and here to help with whatever you need, or at least point you in the right direction. At the end of the day, we're here to make your life easier, so if you have more questions about your payment options or want to establish Net 30 terms, contact your Protocase account manager. Thanks very much for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip. We'll see you back here next week.